channel. Today I'm going to be telling you guys, updating you guys about my curly hair journey, how it's going, and what are products I'm using now because I try to work with different products to see what suits my hair. I'm still figuring out which product best suits my hair. So yeah, let's get into the video and see what all I use and yes, you'll get to know about it. I've actually added a few things to my curly hair journey, like a satin bonnet, a satin pillowcase. I just got my whole pillow to show it to you guys. So, this is the bonnet, and yeah, this is the pillowcase. The bonnet is something which protects your hair when you're sleeping or when you're just lounging around at home. This has actually helped my hair so much, and I haven't washed my hair or anything like it's due wash. But I just wanted to show you guys how my day 3 hair looks. I mean, day 4 actually hair looks without washing. So that I just wanted to tell you guys because every wash day is not like a perfect wash day, and every time you won't have like good hair days. There are some bad hair days, and that's fine because that's natural for curly hair people to go through it, or any kind of texture for that matter. The products that I'm actually trying are the whole curl up range. This is the moisturizing shampoo. I really like the shampoo because it lathers a lot. Little goes a long way for me, and yeah, I really like the shampoo, and I love the conditioner because it's a cream conditioner. I love the consistency of this, and creamy conditioners is something that I usually prefer using. So yeah, this is the curl hydrating conditioner. I actually recommend you guys to try this product, try the whole range by the way. And I've heard that they've come up with their own hair gel now because they are only curl defining cream, but now they have hair gel as well. I'm very eager to try that. So this is the curl defining cream that that I've been using for quite some time. This is like my second bottle, which is almost over. You get another one, and same. These are the styling things that I use: the Fix My Curls Leave-In Cream and Fix My Curls Defining Hair Gel, and the Curl Up Curl Defining Cream. These are the things that I've always used to style my hair. But yeah, I still wanna try and figure out how my hair works with different products because I feel like I still haven't found the perfect, not perfect product, but something that best suits my hair. And I actually started my curly hair journey last year, April 2020, literally during the lockdown because I was like, I guess it's high time I try it and all of that. And I was going through Instagram and I found this page called Curl Cure. Trust me, she, like the one who runs the page, her name is Simran, I guess. Yeah, it's Simran. She literally changed my whole idea about the curly hair journey and all of this because she gives consultations, and you guys can go check it out. I'll leave her link in the bio or in the description. And yeah, so she like suggested products. She told me what my hair type is, what I'll have to use, how I have to use, what I'll have to do with it, and step by step she gave the procedure of how to do it and all. It literally changed so much for me. So from there I've been using the products that she told. Later I started experimenting with different products, and here I am today with these products. And I also bought these cute scrunchies, satin scrunchies. Usually people recommend satin, stuff or silk materials. So, I got these scrunchies which are really cute, by the way. Look at them. This is like a purpley lavender one, and there's a gold. This is just plain white, you know. Yeah, a lot of additions to my curly hair journey. There's a lot more to go. And these small update videos are something that'll be constant on my channel, so that if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any doubts, or if you guys want to see how my hair is doing, how I'm doing. I'll update all of these things in such videos so that we can interact more and you guys can get to know more about what I'm doing, and you can experiment as well. So these are the things, and I also highly recommend you guys to get a bonnet or a satin pillowcase, because from the time I started using a satin hair bonnet, it has changed my life. Like, yeah, like one whole era change it was for me, because um, this I actually got the bonnet with the tying option, because I prefer keeping it loose or keeping it tight depending, because I usually get headaches very often if it's too tight. So this is something that I prefer, and yeah, I really like the color. Oh, this is from Maintain store, and their products are really amazing. Even like the pillowcase is from their website as well. They have this thing called the sleeping kits, where you get a scrunchie, a bonnet, and a pillowcase. So I bought a sleeping kit. They have heat caps and all of those things. I leave that link also in the description so that you guys can check out if you really want it. And I'll be leaving the description for all these products as well, so that guys don't have to put a lot of effort and search for it. It'll just be there. Go down. I mean, this was like a small update on how I'm doing, how my hair is doing, and yeah, that's it. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comments down below. Any questions, any doubts, anything that you have, I'm always going to be there to answer you guys. And don't forget to click the link in the description. And also, guys, this is not any promotional video. This is not a sponsored video. This is literally me giving out my personal opinions to you guys and how my experience has been with these products. This is something that I'm genuinely giving it out to you guys so that it'll help you as well. So yeah, don't forget to comment down below and like this video, share, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get to know whenever I upload a new video. And that's it. Bye.